Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to add photo to frame in Canva. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could leave us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, so let's jump into it. So just in Canva, and I've got a blank template, and what I'm going to do is come up to the left hand side and click on uploads. So I'm just going to scroll down and find one of the pictures that I have created. So I'm just going to select that, and then I'm going to come up to the left hand side again, and I'm going to click on elements. I'm then going to come up to the search bar and type in frames. Press enter, and then you can see here all these different frames have come up. So if you press on the see all button, and then it's going to bring up the whole different range of frames that are available. So if you just scroll down and you find the frame that you want, so I'm just deciding which one I'm going to go for. Oh, I think this diamond shape is quite cool. So if you click on the diamond shape and then drag it over to your image on Canva, and if you just adjust the size to your picture and get it just exactly how you want it, and then if you right click on the frame, go to layer and then go to send to back. And then we have now sent our frame to the back behind our image. And then what you do, if you highlight your picture and hold down your left mouse button, and then if you go to drag the image, it then Canva automatically puts it within the frame for you. So I think that looks really cool. What I'm then going to do is try a different frame, because that does cut out a lot of our castle. So if you right click and press on detach image, that then detaches the image and the shape. So what we can then do is delete the diamond shape behind. We're going to now go to the left side again and then pick another frame that is more suited to our picture. So I'm going to go for this. I'm going to go for this one here, which looks a little bit more like a frame and will fit our castle a lot better. So I'm just going to do the same thing. So I'm going to select the frame. I'm going to right click, go to layer, and then go to center back, and again that's going to pop our frame behind our image. Then when we go to move our image and place it within the frame, Canva automatically does that for us, and as you can see, that suits our picture so much better. We've got all the balloons and everything within it. And there you go. That is how to add a photo to frame in Canva. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you found it useful. If you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, that would be amazing. And we will see you guys in the next one.